DAL stock analysis and DAL stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. Look, I am the only guy in this space that has done 43,000 videos and documented them all every single day for 5 years. So I have seen what's printing me money and what's not. You might not even believe me, but it's all on my YouTube channel. Like DAL in particular, I had this hard time from idea. There was kind of a swing that I called out in this YouTube video. You know what I mean? Like, boom, just right there, 44 bucks 93 cents, just 11 months ago. In 2 days this video is gonna have its birthday, but then, you know, I also made this as the most recent idea. Let me show you the proof. There you go. This was made 3 months ago, 9th of April. And yeah, so how I wanted to act on this is if I saw a shift, I'm willing to take it up.
What is your 2 cents on
and what I saw
DAL?
next was just exactly that. Like, I'm not even trying to exaggerate here. Like, the price literally came down, gave me the shift, and just kept moving. In this particular instance, my targets are still about to be even higher than that, so 70 bucks. And on their way up, I'm hoping I see some sort of a correction so I can, you know, get involved, buy more. But like buying at the top here, just not going to be happening. So just straight up, no, not at all. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for rules. So if you want my exact play and all that good jazz, absolutely risk-free, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people have already got enrolled. It's absolutely risk-free.